Okay, hello friends and followers. It's a typical Drake R4B here upside down because I'm working on it. So I wanted to place Q4 here, and Q4 controls the ADC circuit. As you can see, I've done this before. And so do you think I had the brains and the foresight to capture the position of this transistor so I wouldn't have to look up emitter-based collector again? No, I didn't do that. So this time we're going to do that, okay? There's a transistor right there. And get some angles of it, of how it goes in there, just like that. And it is kind of bent around. Anyway, that's a BC550 NPN. And if I had a picture of how it went in, I could have not wasted 40 minutes and just put the darn thing in there. So I checked my old video out, and yes, it had that angle that it went in, so I knew the angle of the face had to be right, but and I don't even know if this will help in the future. But anyway, there's a whole rundown of how this thing looks. And let's go in here if I can. Nope, I can't get in that close. Anyway, that's a BC550 NPN I have in there. So the collector is the first one from the face. Collector is the first one. So this one is the collector. And the base crosses and goes down to here. And then the emitter goes there. What a pain. So yeah, you can see how the base is crossing, going down here. The collector is going here, the emitter is going there. So I hope if I fix a third one of these, or a fourth or a fifth or a 10th one, that I understand this now and won't be wasting 40 minutes of my life. When I'm on my deathbed dying, I'm not going to say, oh my God, I didn't replace that Q4 right in a Drake receiver, an R4B. My God, no. Okay, life is short. I gotta quit fixing radios. Thanks, have a good day.